Hi, I'm doing Paul McWhorter's Pico W lessons, and this video is a follow-up to the chat session of Paul's lesson number 91, when we were talking about the number of commands that you have available. So, I think it's a conspiracy personally, so here we go. 1 jump. 1. Oh, I've been doing the gardening. Excuse my dirty fingers. 1. 2. Set. 3. Move. 4. Pull. 5. Push. Right, change to the other hand. In. Out. IRQ. Wait. And that's 9. And wait for it. 9.5. No operation. Right, that is one way of counting it. Now you have to believe that. Are any of those not commands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why does everyone say there are only 8? Now I will demonstrate it in a different way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and no operation is 9.5. Now, does everyone believe me now?